up? It's your boy JRE. I'm here with GHOST9. Let's make some noise. Let's for a little collab. Whoa, first of all, I'm gonna explain first what we're doing. I heard that you guys want to try burgers.
Yeah, that's right.
And so I bought a lot of burgers.
What? Wow.
Just for y'all, and from different places. Now the game is, I want you to try, taste test.
Yeah.
Try it, eat it, whatever you want, and we're gonna try to guess where it comes from. I'm gonna give you a multiple choice. It's either gonna be Wendy's,
Wendy's,
Taco Bell,
Taco Bell,
Carl's Jr.,
Carl's Jr.,
Jack in the Box,
McDonald's,
or Shake Shack.
I'll
remind you.
So many.
I made it super hard because if you lose, one of the members is gonna be wearing a Teletubby outfit. If you guys know or watch my Twitch stream. I unfortunately wear sometimes. It's over there. You'll see it later. They win and gets everything right, then I'll wear it. Before we get into this, can you guys introduce yourself individually?
We are
GHOST9!
Hello, my name is Junso. His English name is Keeper here. Hey guys, I'm Junyoung and I'm the leader of GHOST9. Also, I'm in charge of vocals.
What's up? I'm Shin.
I'm Jinu. Thank you. I'm Ujin.
Hello, I'm Kang Song.
I'm Prince.
And I'm JRE, new member of GHOST9.
Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen!
Yeah, thank you! I won it, dude!
It's really thick.
Ladies McDonald's. Bon appetit, guys. Veggie in this burger is really fresh.
And tell me what you guys thought too.
Patty?
I don't know if burgers are healthy.
This is healthy.
That's maybe. What do you do in your free time?
I watch animation. I like Inuyasha.
Inuyasha?
Yeah.
Hey!
I love your t-shirt.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I started watching this Inuyasha 3 days ago.
3 days ago?
Yeah, it's a airplane. It's so it's delicious one. It's so exciting. Yeah.
No, it's a really good anime. Old, but still good.
Me and two guys play soccer.
Yeah.
So we go out and go play soccer.
Play soccer?
We love it.
Do you like who's your favorite team?
My favorite team is Paris Saint-Germain.
Paris Saint-Germain.
Manchester United.
Manchester.
Oh!
Wow!
Manchester United.
Wow!
You? Spurs.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Not now, but Cristiano Ronaldo.
You know Sonic?
Son on a mission to go alone. Sensational! World class!
Sony,
Yeah.
Of course.
How do you think about Sonic?
No, he's good.
Yeah.
One of the best.
Yeah, it's
But
bad.
I watched Park Ji-sung
Oh,
Yeah.
growing up.
Wow!
Yeah.
So I'm more of a fan of him than Sun, but I like Sun too.
Wow!
But anyways, enough soccer talk. How did it feel once you got to perform in front of an audience? Because you guys had a show recently.
Yeah, so cool. It was so cool. It was so cool to hear a lot of cheers and applause and those kind of sounds. It was really cool because it was our first time hearing that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
Because it's been a while since. Oh, you never had that experience yet.
yeah, because
So
of
it's
the
yeah,
pandemic.
obviously the pandemic. Even myself, I haven't seen like a large crowd in a while, but it's such a different feeling to see someone like cheer. Like it's just a nice feeling to have.
Yeah, that's right.
But okay,
Yours are very pretty.
my eyes. My eyes. Thank you.
Wow.
Like, what color is it now?
It's like
Brown.
hazel, but like
Sometimes
brown.
like brownish, hazel, light brown.
Hazel.
Sometimes it turns gold.
Gold.
yeah,
Wow.
That's in the sunset, so maybe soon sometime.
Yeah.
I'm proud of my eyes. Thank you for the compliment. Have you ever Googled yourself?
Here's the thing. In Korea, you don't really use Google. There's like this thing
There's
called
Naver.
Naver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever neighbored yourself?
Of course we did.
You do?
Yeah.
I mean, that makes sense. That makes sense. What place do you want to visit in the future?
France.
France?
England.
England?
Japan?
Japan? Me too.
Thailand.
I'm
Yeah.
from Thailand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Tell us your first impressions about the other members.
First time, 준영이 형은 몸이 좋아가지고 이게 좀 무서웠어.
Because Junior has a nice body, he's kind of scary.
I can see that.
Hi.
You know, I'm actually a fan of Junsong before
Yeah.
he came in.
Ah.
So he was in like a survival show
Right.
back then. And then I met him and I was like, oh my god, are you that guy? And it was a moment. It was like, because I liked him for like his voice and
Yeah.
stuff.
Right.
And, like it was like seeing a celebrity for like
But not now.
But not
Now,
now.
that's how I feel with all my other YouTuber peers. Like when they finally get to know me and become friends with me, they're like, oh, that's just Dre. In the beginning, they're like, well, that's Dre. I'm actually curious, do you guys watch YouTube or Twitch?
There's so many YouTubers that I like.
There's also this guy named JRE that's pretty good on YouTube.
Jerry.
But
The woman was too stunned to speak.
JRE, he's kind of cool on.
Oh yeah. I
He's
think
really dope on YouTube. That
JRE.
is there anyone that like you actually?
Oh, let me see.
I
Yeah.
subscribe YouTuber 드보키 keyboard.
Oh.
keyboard
ASMR?
Yeah, ASMR.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Yeah. What inspired you to be an idol?
You know Taeyong Big Bang?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know me? He's famous on YouTube.
Yeah, I was really inspired by him.
He's the one that started my YouTube career.
Ooh. Really?
Yeah, I went to a Big Bang concert and got to do a fan meet. All of them passed by me and then Taeyong's like, you're famous on YouTube.
Wow.
Whoa.
There was
Yeah.
he's like a role model to
Yeah,
me.
same.
So that's cool.
I
That's
grew up.
really
I grew up. That's what got me into K-pop.
Oh.
Through Taeyong and then Big Bang.
Wow. I really like JRE.
Yeah.
Suddenly.
Thanks to you, Taeyong.
Ladies and gentlemen.
See, like y'all loved that one more. It's either gonna be Carl's Jr., Jack in the Box, Wendy's, Shake Shack,
Wait. Wendy, Jack in the Box,
Carl's Jr.,
Carl's Jr., Shake,
McDonald's,
McDonald's.
or Taco Bell.
Wow.
I don't think there's no Taco Bell here.
Hey, you never know, Taco Bell got a new burger.
Taco Bell sells burgers?
That is not correct.
I never knew about it because Taco Bell
They got French
sells
fries. Something.
I had Shake Shack.
Shake Shack.
Okay.
Is what?
I think it's right. It
Not
looks
yet.
like
I'm gonna let you think about it and see. Like, is this your final answer?
Okay. Carl's Jr., Jack in the Box, Wendy's.
You know, the thing is, we haven't like eaten many of these,
No.
so we have no idea.
Yeah. Maybe we just choose.
Yeah.
Just among them.
You got McDonald's and Shake Shack.
Oh. So
I
to
went
me, it
with
looks like a Jack in the Box.
Jack in the Box, yeah.
Final answer?
아니야, 왠지. 나
We're not sure about it.
I mean, you could go with it or you can't. I mean, it is what it is. What do you guys agree on?
Maybe Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box.
Yeah, my face.
yes, maybe.
Maybe.
But 쉑쉑 맥도날드 말고 나온 거 다 처음 먹어볼까?
His. Yeah. Other. This one is first. What you look to the wall. Yeah. He've tried these two, so.
Right. This is the only one that's you're not sure of.
I think our final answer is maybe Jack in the Box.
Alright. Well, that's Shake Shack,
Shack.
McDonald's,
Please.
Jack in the Box.
Wow. That's cool.
No! That's what happened. Good job, guys. You figured it out, everything. I thought Taco Bell would have confused you for some reason. You guys won. I did say I would dress up in my outfit, which is right there.
Looking forward to it.
Oh,
look at that.
I'll dress up somewhere and then come out and then get your reaction.
It's the struggle for me.
This is my life.
Where is he?
I mean, let's go.
So dope.
This is great. I wish maybe actually, you know what? Can you guys teach me a little bit of control?
Wow.
Of course.
It's called Maestro Dance.
Okay.
It's really.
Maestro dance.
Yeah. It can be really easy because there are just few movements.
Right.
So put your arms forward and you have to. Yeah. Do like this. Using your waist, you have to boom, boom.
I don't think I can move my waist.
Whoa! That looks really cute. You have to use your right hand to, like, smash at something. So like, Yeah, like boom, boom.
Like that?
Yeah.
And catch it.
Smash and catch it.
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
right.
yeah, it's
That's right. Like using your waist at the same time. Like
Boom, boom.
oh yeah, that's right.
Something like that, yeah.
Maestro. Oh yeah.
Okay.
So
Let's do it. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. One more time, let's do it.
She had a maestro.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
That's good.
Let's go.
Here comes a new challenger.
Wow!
Yeah,
Hey!
yeah, he
It
is
was
an
good.
actual Teletubby.
Like this. I think it's a bit big too.
Yeah, it's pretty big. You know. You know how to body roll in that?
Body roll?
Wave.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wave?
Hey, let's get it.
Hey! We did it, we did it.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, like, one of my faves is Control from you guys, but one of my friends, she also does a reaction channel, Reacts to Decay. She put me onto Triangle.
Triangle.
And I really do like Triangle.
It's a B-side track.
Yeah, it's B-side. You know, sometimes B-side are good.
Yeah, that's right.
I like
that's
that.
right.
Yeah. But yeah, thanks for participating in this dressing up with me. It's been fun.
Yeah, fun.
Even though it's short, hopefully we can do this again. And
I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to JREAMERS.
yes, please.
too. Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much again.
Thank you so much.
It was so really fun. You want to keep this or?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.